What if just 2 days in Singapore could completely change your trading trajectory and set you up for your most successful year yet? I'm Simon Ree, the best-selling author of The Tao of Trading, and for the first time ever, I'm hosting a live in-person mastermind experience right here in Singapore. This event is designed to do something that no online course can: help you move from knowing to doing, and to do it with clarity, confidence, and precision. The truth is, most traders don't get stuck because they lack strategy. They don't live up to their potential because they struggle to successfully implement what they've learned, or they drift back into bad habits the moment life gets busy. This mastermind changes that. Over 2 transformational days, we'll turn knowledge into execution. You'll get live feedback, accountability, and the structure you need to trade at a higher level consistently. Let me give you a taste of what's inside. On day 1, we start by stripping trading back to its essence, understanding what price really is through a live auction experiment that will change how you see markets forever. Then we dive into practical sessions like how to grow a small account, short interest secrets, how to identify and profit from short squeezes, and the core setups that drive my trading: the bounce, the squeeze, and counter trend setups. You'll learn how to find the hottest stocks to stalk, and we'll wrap up with a live market analysis and hot seat coaching where you'll get direct input from me on your trades and setups. On day 2, we take things to the next level. We'll cover scaling up, how to transition small account to a large one, explore the inner workings that underpin long-term success, and uncover unusual options activity, the footprints of institutional money that can give you an edge. You'll leave with clarity on what's working, what's not, and exactly how to execute your 2026 trading plan. And we're doing this in style. This isn't a Zoom call or a seminar in a generic ballroom. It's 2 immersive days at the Grand Hyatt, a 5-star hotel in the heart of Orchard Road, complete with gourmet lunches, great coffee, and a room full of driven traders just like you. It's going to be highly interactive. You won't just sit and listen. You'll work through exercises, live setups, and challenges. There'll be prizes and giveaways throughout the event, and plenty of time to connect, share ideas, and build lasting trading relationships. By the end of the 2 days, you're going to walk away with a clearer understanding of your most profitable setups, the confidence to execute your trades with discipline, the community to stay accountable and never trade alone again, and a complete, actionable 2026 trading plan that you can implement straight away. You'll leave with a renewed sense of direction, focus, inspiration, and momentum, ready to make 2026 your best trading year ever. Your mastermind ticket also includes 12 months of Options Academy Elevate, 12 months of Accelerate coaching and mentoring, and lifetime access to a complete recording of the mastermind. That's over $10,000 of value bundled into a single transformational experience. It's like we're paying you to attend this event. Seats for this mastermind are strictly limited, and this event will sell out fast. So if you're ready to trade with total clarity, precision, and confidence, and you want to spend 2 days that could change the way you trade forever, then click below and secure your spot today. I can't wait to meet you and work with you in Singapore.